Finally, 7 days. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Master. Yes. Master, thank you very much, ha. Kasama ako dito sa blessings ko. Hindi ko in-expect. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. More blessings sa tayo.
Okay. Meron pa, di ba?
I thought my number will not gonna be called.
56!
Thank you, thank you. Lucky.
72!
Oh gosh, I really love the color. Violet. Lilac. Thank you, Master Ang, for your blessings that you have shared with us.
22!
Lucky. Thank you, Lord.